So the whole idea to make the vacuum pump holder is to I've just took out the this is the bracket that's supposed to fix on the whole vacuum pump. So the vacuum pump is all still in the box. I've decided that it would go somewhere around the half shaft holder. So I've still got the template out here, the old template. So the template is out here, means the holes are here, is exactly the same. What I'm gonna do is from an old piece, the other half of this is another piece of aluminium. So I'm going to chop off that side, gonna mount that something like that on the adapter plate, and just simple one thread, and the whole thing should sit fine, hopefully. So that's how the design would look like. Then the aluminum is ready. Added the 2 layer of rubber padding just as isolator of vibration of any sorts from both of them. So this is part of the stand. So the stand will just sit on the 2 pieces of rubber. So the M6 is tapped, so that then the 2 big holes will go onto the half shaft mounting points. Mounting is quite simple actually. Just using the holes that are available, that are traded in from the gearbox. It's all original. Should provide more than sufficient strength that is required. Okay, so that should hold the pump in place. Need to add in the muffler with oil after this. So just to let you guys know, this is the piece of muffler, and it's supplied with the I think that is the compressor oil or something. It's supposed to be filled to this hole, and there was I don't know, a big number of warning that says never keep it low when you fill up the oil. So make sure it is at least a couple of degrees from the floor when you fill it up. So I'll go ahead and fill that up, and put it on the vacuum pump. So the whole bottle goes in, and next would be put this on to the vacuum pump. So let me correct that again. It's written here, the red oil that I put in just now is actually automatic transmission fluid. So your hydraulics, your power steering, all will work well on this. You need about 13 cc of it only. So number 14, I will take this out. Then there's a plug down here. So all you have to do is just to according to the manual. There's the extra one. You just need to push this in and tighten it up with your hands, about 12 kilo. If you can, I don't know, if you can exert 12 kilo of force with your fingers on a tight spot. I'll be using some tools or whatever. So I'm assuming that should have about 12 kilos there. Okay, done. Just the wiring left. So the plumbing is done according to the manual. So there's actually a installation manual that all of us can download from the website. So same thing here, from the booster to the one way where the suction faces the pump, then it follows up to a small section which goes into the sensor. This is the sensor. So sensor and straight away into the brick booster. So there you go. One more section left, the electrical. So the whole installation or the electrical wire is sort of done. So what I did was I used a old piece of stainless steel block, which I cut off. As usual, the hose and a few threadings, and that's it. So quickly fix it on. It's sturdy, it's strong, it's not going to go anywhere. So looking back at the installation manual, so that's the section, the whole electrical section. This curly one, the curly one is actually the from the pump plus. So the pump plus will go into a relay. So that's the only connector that is not connected when it arrives from factory. So it's written clearly here is to go into the relay at A. So then to vehicle, ground, to sensor, and what sort. So attach that all up, give it some power, see how it's run. And just a warning, any test run has to be done with the whole system hooked up into the brake booster. So make sure it's not a free run, it's a loaded run. Okay, I have rigged up the whole wiring. That one, that's the fuse part from the relay, so that is always to the motor. The only thing left now is the That is the key. Now I simulate by a plus. So that is the key switch for now. So the only thing left out is the key switch. So all the wirings is done according to the manual. If all things are correct, once I energize this key switch, vacuum pump should run. Here goes. Alright, and even if it's connected, it's no longer running. It's because I think the vacuum is filled up. Wow, that's powerful, and not too noisy, not too nice pump, right? Nice pump.